It's time for mini news sesh. Yeah.
So guys, welcome to this week's mini news session here with Wingnut Social. We have Abby today. Abby, what do you have for us?
So my news today has to do with one of Instagram's main goals for 2022, and that was to be more transparent with its users. So we've seen this goal of transparency met with updates like things about how the algorithm works and a few other new features launched this year. But now Instagram has shared an update to its account status dashboard that is going to allow users to see whether or not your content is eligible to be recommended in places like the Explore page or the recommended feed section of the Instagram feed. So this update will also provide pointers on how to rectify issues in the past. So if your content isn't currently eligible to be recommended in places like the Explore page, it's going to tell you why and give you the opportunity to fix it as well.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. So to find this feature, you will go to your profile and then click the menu. From there, you'll click Settings, Account, and Account Settings. There, you'll be able to see any information on posts that have violated Instagram's community guidelines. And like I said, you'll be able to fix it. This will be symbolized with a yellow alert. You'll be able to see that there. And again, if everything is in good shape, then you kind of just have to take a second and realize maybe it's just your content that's not resonating, which of course is an issue in itself, but at least it's not a technical issue.
100%. 100%. I mean, just the fact that there's that level of transparency is so refreshing because I think we've all had those kind of concerns or those questions about, content and things like that. And then if something does go wrong, it's just like, what actually happened that, led to this? And so I think that level of transparency is super refreshing in terms of Instagram in general.
Definitely. Yeah. Because like you kind of just said, if beforehand, maybe someone texted you and said, hey, I'm not seeing your content, or if in your insights you see that your reach has dropped, you wouldn't have known why. You wouldn't have known what the issue is. Maybe you thought you were being shadow banned, but this update kind of dispels that myth and gives you the opportunity to get down to the bottom of what's going on. So that way you can fully optimize your content for the platform.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And when did you say it rolls out? When is this happening? Is it already launched?
Yep, it's already out. So Instagram said that everybody should have access to this feature now. So if I am a social media manager, but if I were you, I would go into your account and just double check that everything's okay. So that way you can be good and ready to go in the new year.
All right. That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Abby. We appreciate it.
Of course. Thanks.
Mini news sesh. Yeah.